JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. I have put together an employee retention credit seminar that is meant to be do-it-yourself, step-by-step, A to Z. I'm a certified public accountant practicing for over 31 years. I've traveled around the country teaching this to thousands of CPAs, EAs, tax professionals, as well as small business owners. Not only do I teach it, but I have worked with clients hand in hand, going through their circumstances, doing their calculations, preparing the form, getting it submitted to the IRS, and successfully getting money back related to the ERC. As a practicing CPA, I'm in the trenches every day.
JJ, the CPA is here.
When I put together this seminar, I put it together in mind for those that really aren't familiar with taxes and haven't been involved in anything related to this. So my seminar, I feel, is very complete. Over 20 videos, adding up to over 8 hours, walking you through step by step. I give you examples, Excel spreadsheets, links, flowcharts, as well as then a complete copy of the PowerPoint. And right here, I printed this out. This is over 300 pages, pretty well a workbook on how to walk through everything related to the ERC. Really want to make sure that after you've gone through my seminar, even if you're going to hire somebody, that you feel confident that you qualify for this, and then that you've calculated it properly, and then completing that form to get it into the IRS so that you can get your money back. If you do all of those things, you really shouldn't have much to worry about. If you're hiring somebody, you definitely want to be ensuring that they're doing it correctly and properly. Going through the seminar, you'll be able to do that step by step with them, if not yourself. Now, I've had many who have said through my seminar with zero experience in taxes themselves, were able to properly determine if they qualify, calculate it, complete the form, and then get money back from the IRS many times in the multiples of hundreds of thousands of dollars in terms of what they qualify. So with everything that's included instantly available to you, you will be able to get started on this right now. You'll be able to walk through your own numbers. I show you where to get those, how to calculate it, making sure that you are qualifying for this. And if you are, you should have no concerns in going and getting this credit. It really adds up. So with that being said, I just want to say thanks for checking this out. And if you buy the seminar, thank you for your business.
American CPA.